In this tutorial series, we are going to be creating a function that will generate a JWT. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to define a function called create token. Okay, and we're going to pass in a parameter called the user's ID, which is of type int64, and this function is going to return a string or an error if any occurs. Right now, the next thing we're going to do is we are going to define we're going to use a package first of all to generate a JWT, and we have this awesome package here called JWT Go. You can take a look at it on GitHub. If you don't already have it installed in your local machine, you can run this command go get. This is what I mean. You could run this command in your terminal. Go get github.com this. Right, I already have it installed, so I don't need to install it again. I just need to require it in my imports here. So I'm going to come here and do this and remove this part. Right, so I'm going to synchronize this with my Go modus. I think it's already done. So the next thing I have to do now, you can see it's complaining that this package is imported but not used. So I'm going to start using this package now. I'm going to define a variable called claims, and I'm going to use the package jwt dot what's it called, map claims. It has a string as the key and an interface as the value. Now some of the things we are going to use as our claims are our user's ID, the expiry date of the token, and let's say we have another claim called authorize. By the way, what are claims used for? Claim make up the second part of our JWT. The JWT comprises of three parts basically. It has the header, it has the payload, and it has the signature. So the header comprises of the hashing algorithm used for the JWT. For instance, we have the HMAC algorithm or SHA-256. The payload comprises of claims such as the user's ID. We are going to define like this. We're going to say the claims, the key is the user's ID, and the value is this user's ID. Alright, okay, sorry, this. Now the next claim you're going to look at is we can define the expiration of this token. Right, we're going to give it an expiration time of let's say 15 minutes. So for we to do that, we're going to say time dot now. Alright, time dot now, time dot add, time dot 15 dot minutes, that is 15 minutes. Then we're going to add 15 minutes to the time. So that's about adding the time to the claims. So let's now create a token with our claims. We're going to say access token, new JWT with claims. Right, then we're going to pass in the signing method we're going to use here is this one, actually the one with H, and let's pass in the claims we've created above. So this is the claim. The next thing we're going to do is we're now going to attach this our secrets to the token. So let's do that now. Define a new variable called token or an error. So we're going to now say at.signed string, and I'm going to pass a byte slice to this, and since we are getting this from an environmental variable, this one, let's copy that. So we're going to say os.getEnv and pass in the key. So that's about it. Let's check if there is an error. So say if error is equal to new. Right, we're going to return an empty string and the error. Else we are going to return the token generated and new as error. So this is about the create token function. In the next tutorial, we're going to see how we can use this function in our login. So when a user logs in, we pass in the user's ID to this create token function and generates the JWT. So till then, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Bye.